everyone, my name is Jano Sigayapa and I am from BSIT S2A. So for today, we are going to discuss another activity which is OSB 9 or it's all about file services. For the first step, we need to start or open our OS Server 2008 in Oracle VM VirtualBox. So ito naman talaga yung pinaka first step sa ating mga gagawing activities since need natin ng OS Server na gagawa ng mga activities na nire-required. For the next step naman is to go on Server Manager, right-click the Add Roles, and check the file services to install it. Since I have already installed na yung file services noon, then you can use the default setting naman as you install the file services role in your OS server. So ito yung file services. Makikita nyo. Dito yan under sa add roles, file services. Then, once na ma-check nyo yon, install lang. Or next nyo lang yung mga default settings, then install. For the next step naman tayo is to go on our local disk C and create yung 5 folders na nire-required pa gawin sa atin with their respective names required by the professor. So, una doon is yung ating public folder, yung ating BBNet folder, yung ating surname, underscore the course and section, then yung C programs folder, then the photo male and photo female folder. So ito 5 folder siya na gagawin natin dito under local disk C. So next is to go to file server resource manager. So search lang natin yan sa start. So, ayan yung file server resource manager. Choose file groups. Ito yan. Pipiliin natin yan under file screening management. So, next. Once na mapili natin yon, dahil napili na natin itong file groups, create a public file group name and include the following files need to be included. So, ito yung .com, .exe, .bv, and .bvs. Then, gagawin lang natin ulit ito sa iba't iba pang mga folders na ginawa natin. Then, i-include natin or exclude natin yung mga files na nire-required sa atin ng ating mga professor. So, for the next step naman, ito yon for BBNet. So, only the zip and rar files are included. Yun yung lang ilalagay natin sa ating BBNet na folder. Sa C programs naman, only C and CPP files are included. Sa ating surname underscore BSIT S2A file, yung included lang doon ang .c, .cpp, .pdf, .rar, .docs, .ppt, and .dwg. Sa photo male and photo female naman, files are included lang yung .jpeg, .gif, and .png. So, for the next step tayo, now, under naman sa server manager again, go naman tayo sa ating file services. Ito yon. Then, share and storage manager. Ito yung share and storage manager. So, file services, share and storage manager. Then, next nyan, click provision share, browse the folder you want to share for MITS BBNet, then click next. So, may kita nyo kanina, ito yung provision share na button. So, once na maklik natin yan, magiging ganito yan. So, para ma-share natin yung folder location, magbabrowse lang tayo ng one folder muna. Then, yung folder na pinili ko, for example, is yung BBNet. Then, i-click ko lang yung next. So, once nyan, once na maklik ko yung next, choose the third radio button, which makes it full control for the admin but only read and write access for other users. Since ito yung nakalagay sa ating radio button, administrators have full control, all other users and group have only read access and write access, then click next. So for the next nyan, click lang natin yung mga next button since default naman yon. Then lastly, makikita natin itong share folder settings. I-create lang natin itong ating share folder settings na to. So once na ma-create na natin to, we can see that we have already created the provision shared folder wizard. So for the next step naman is gagawin lang na natin yung mga previous steps na ginawa natin, which is provision share lang din. Pipiliin natin yung folder like yung ating surname _ section na folder, or the C programs, or the public, or the photo male and photo female. Then papalitan lang natin siya ng mga buttons or required base sa mga nire-required sa atin. Nakalagay naman doon if it's full control, if it is read and write access. Then again, i-create lang natin yung shared folder settings. Then makikita na natin yung mga ginawa natin. So yun nga, for the last step, do the same steps with other folders. We have with, includes the public, the Gayapa BSIT S2A, the C programs, the photo male and female, and user apply the requirements needed. So yun lang, we are already finished na with our OSB 9 activities sa ating subject na operating system. So thank you for watching.